Hello and welcome back to itheeverse lovelies. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. So as you all have read in the title, today's challenge is about transforming myself into Kylie Jenner or dressing up like Kylie Jenner. Okay, so as you all have seen in the thumbnail also, but I'll just put the picture over here. As you all can see, Kylie is wearing a thigh-high green emerald kind of dress which has kind of a satin finish. Okay, so this is my birthday dress over here which kind of matches with her outfit. She's actually wearing an off-shoulder dress, but my dress is like sleeveless and I can't wear it like off-shoulder, and it also has a slit over here, but ये satin finish नहीं है, but yes, the color is almost the same. So yeah, I'm gonna wear this dress for this challenge. So I think without wasting any time, we shall just get started. So after dressing up, let's start with the makeup. So I'm applying my regular base, which is aloe vera gel, moisturizer and Maybelline Master Prime ka primer. So I have well primed my face right now. After my primer, I'm going to apply Pond's BB cream as my foundation, and I'm just going to use two fingers to blend it properly. After this, I'm going to apply concealer, and it is from Maybelline Fit Me. I'm just going to apply a little bit of concealer under my eyes and on my nose, that's it. And again, I'm going to use my two fingers to blend it properly. After concealer, I'm going to powder pack, and for this I'm again using Maybelline product, which is Maybelline Fit Me foundation. My other products are on the way, and I'm going to shoot a new video with new products very soon, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So now the most important part, I'm going to contour and shift my face. So as you all can see in the picture, Kylie's skin is like very much brownish. So I'm just going to create that effect by contouring a lot, or like enough I mean, and then I'm going to blend it properly. Now I'm going to apply a little bit of blush, which was actually not necessary for the look, but I did it. So after blending everything properly, I'm going to move on to my brows and fill in it. And then I'm going to take a darker brown shade and blend it on the outer corners of my eyes, which is my crease actually. I'm going to create a wing-like effect with my eyeshadow itself, and then I'm going to blend the same eyeshadow on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take a shimmery brown shade and apply it on the inner corners of my crease, like this. After this, I'm going to draw a winged eyeliner. And then I'm going to apply mascara on my lashes. I'll be also adding false lashes, which is completely optional, but you know, when we are creating a Kylie look, there should be something artificial, so yes, that's it. And then I'll apply some kajal and we're done. For the lipstick, I'm using my Glamm's liquid lipstick, which is in the shade My Oh My. But actually, ये lipstick apply करने के बाद मुझे पता चला कि this is not going on my look. Okay, by the way, if you want this lipstick free, you can just visit the link in my description, fill out the survey and buy the lipstick, and just you have to pay 99 rupees as shipping charges. The actual cost of this lipstick is 395 rupees. It is totally vegan and cruelty free, but you will get this at just rupees 99. So go and check it out. So I'm taking a brown shade lipstick because Kylie is wearing the same shade, and ये लगाने के बाद भी थोड़ा सा डार्क था, तो इसीलिए मैंने उसको थोड़ा सा कॉम्पैक्ट लगा के वापस लाइट कर दिया, and I made it the exact lipstick like Kylie's and all set. So For the necklace, I did not get the necklace like hers, but I almost got diamond jewelry which kind of matches, like 10% matches. And then some highlighter and all done. That's how I created my Kylie look, which is like 60-40% I think. So let me know in the comments how much do you think it matches with the Kylie's look. I'll be very happy to have all your suggestions and all your love. Also, if you guys have not followed me on Instagram yet, the link is in the description. Go and follow me and you can check out the pictures which I have posted of this look. And also please don't forget to comment down below, like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. So this is how I turned myself into Kylie Jenner. This is my kind of transformation. मैंने पहले ही बोला मैं सिर्फ ऊपर में transformation करने वाली हूँ. So yeah, let me know in the comments how much you like this video. Also give it a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video and also subscribe my channel. I will come back soon. Until then, stay positive, stay happy, spread love and